Okay, we are back to discuss what has been going on with the overall markets that have been coming in for such extreme rounds of bearishness, with today being 4,700 decliners, almost 5,000, and only 1,700 advancers. We've been seeing some bearish days coming into the market for the last few days. Right now, it's finding support off of previous lows that it's made off of previous crashes earlier on in the year and previously before this year started, reaching up to the max of 7,000. We've been watching the market reach up to new highs almost day after day after day. A retest, a pullback, a sell-off is bound to come in, and we've been seeing that happen faster in BTC as Bitcoin and the overall crypto leads the world, leads the market due to tokenization of all industries that's not done yet. Is still going to be up and coming, especially people looking to integrate and load up at these lows when the dip is done. This has been selling off for about 4 months now, and our crypto position pushing us up about 5,000%. Our crypto position as well is now up 3,300%. These shorts are shorts that we entered in. Remember, back as soon as the crash was getting ready to happen, I was making videos on those. Check those out along with previous lessons. We would get the BTC shorts 122,000 or higher. ETA shorts for 4,470 or higher, and TRX shorts at 33 cents or higher. Even at that time, we even got rounds of puts at that time. You really held on to those, but from those highs exactly, we've been seeing bearishness come in. We're looking on a weekly chart here. More bearishness coming in week after week after week after week. But I know what you wonder, how could one be so bold to even hold on for such durations? When you getting these stocks off of certain different time frames, I just made videos making lessons on those for Banking with Billy Book 2 as well. Check those out. You can predict and see when your next incoming lows and or highs or supports and resistance are for different specific chart trading time frames. Let me go deeper in depth. So if we're looking over here now, looking at BTC on your overall weekly chart using your pivot points, we can see where we would get in, where it was retesting the new highs. We already, to always expect for things to get ready to pull back at the new highs or reverse at the new lows, right? Brace yourself, do what you can, get prepared. We will get in off of those alerts you could have too, and this would dip back down, retesting its main pivot point. We would eventually watch its weekly chart pivot point indicators update, letting us know that a new main pivot point has been made that has been retesting a few weeks ago. It will start to crash back down. You've been in the market, you've been seeing the markets crash for these last few weeks. It's because the BTC has been selling off. They've been making money by BTC selling off, making them want to sell off even more, making our positions push up more. It's not too late for you to get yourself a position inside of BTC off of this dip down here. We're looking at it getting ready to start to bounce off and or find the support. It's oversold. It's really gonna take a bit of a rally. Like at this point right now, you know how it goes. There's so many people that are like, "Oh my God, I'm still stuck in there." Or so many people who are like, "Let me start to sell this now," and then not only just selling out of the BTC, but they can be selling out of BTC or ETH or any of the stocks or any of the Mag Sevens, or they be selling off of the S&P 500s. Don't let the future start to sell off. Those things are gonna lead to more bearishness as well. Keep in mind that a lot of fear triggers are about to get triggered, and if it breaks this next point tomorrow, Friday, we're looking for a bounce real quick. you get a quick bounce. Like watch this. So even off of this quick dip that would come in, we will go ahead and get some long positions. I would alert that BTC long at 63,000 or lower, and TRX long at 20 cents or lower, and ETH at 1,900 or lower. Those will push us up about another couple hundreds of percents. Now, as for some quick day trades for today, while we're still holding in on our, mind you, our big long shorts going down to the bottom, looking for this to get ready to watch this break past its support level 1 on a weekly chart. If those big whales and insiders and hedge funds and all that good stuff like that, they fear triggers get set. They got stop losses. A lot of them don't trade like us. They're fast trades. I was just showing you a bunch of day trades and whatnot. You're doing those off of your 15-minute chart trading time frames and such forth, right? Many of them are only going off their weeklies and dailies and monthlies, so they got longer stop losses out. They won't even look back. Keep in mind you, I'm gonna tell you now, if you haven't recognized, everybody who trades in the market aren't always as active on the market as we are, bro. Bitcoin to be crashing down right now, many people won't even know we got anything that's going on. Many people be holding all the Bitcoin stuff like that right now. They won't even know that Bitcoin's going down. They want to find out 2 weeks later. That's why you see the triggers starting to get hit that cause this, and everybody hasn't recognized it just yet. But nonetheless, if it is to break this on your daily chart, looking at the support level 2, again, this is a daily chart here. We're looking at it getting ready to go back down to your support level 3 of 47,000, almost around 50,000, which would be an exciting time because I tell you, I am getting ready to load up on some. You know me, I really don't mess with the penny stocks too much more after I done found the spies and the options and the leverage trades and whatnot, and you will too. You make more money and more consistency and stuff like that, messing with the spies and the options and the easy leverage trades that are 24/7, right? Rather than chasing hot fast penny stocks and whatnot. But there are many stocks right now going on to that massive discount. You already know I'm getting ready to load some up. I will alert those out along in my section. Be there to see that on time. Tomorrow, while the markets are hitting down on this bottom, in fact, you got the markets that trade overnight these days, huh? You and early pre-market too. So right now, watch this. You got these things getting ready to bounce back down off of the 15. They're going to be getting ready to go back up to their main pivot point. So that's why I mentioned the overnights and the pre-markets and whatnot, because they'll make that rally happen early morning before everybody wakes up, so they can get theirs early morning, and then they'll sell that back off so they can get theirs again while everybody is thinking it's the safe time to buy, thinking the sentiment is bullish. Those are things you have to watch out for, and it does change fast. So you want to make sure you are having your alerts on, having your triggers set, your stop losses set. I recommend a 7 to 15% stop loss upon entering on that stock, so you can minimize your losses if need be and move that stop loss up as the stock moves up for a trailing stop loss. That's how you maximize, and then you stretch that out so you maximize those gains. In this case, if you're trading with me in the BTC off this ultimate dip down here, you have maximized your gains. And I'm looking to see a lot more incoming. I have, as a quick tidbit, started collecting all the different cards, looking to pull the legendary cards. So check out those channels, give those videos a like. YouTube doesn't like a new channel until it starts to get some likes and stuff like that. So do me a favor on that and share this out. People need to know to be ready for the next play. I'll be putting that out along in my section. I'll see y'all in there, and
hit that subscribe button so you are always up to date on what the next stock is.